Starbucks could never. Today I'm going to be making a homemade pumpkin spice latte, or as other people might know it, a PSL. I found a recipe online. It's from Peaceful Cuisine, and most of it was in grams and smidgens and dashes. So I had a converter. I have a piece of paper here. I wrote it all down. I feel like the first order of business for this would probably be to grind the coffee. It calls for 1 shot of espresso. Coffee smells so good. I don't drink it very often, but I'm just gonna guesstimate what would be considered a half. This. Okay, so that was really loud. What? Okay. Putting it in wrong. 2 cups of water going in. Now let's get to the pumpkin. In the recipe that I saw on YouTube, the guy used actual pumpkin, like a whole pumpkin that you get from a patch, and he like steamed it for like 4 hours. Like, it was kind of intense. Me being the lazy person that I am, I just decided to go and get a can of pumpkin. What is going on? I saw in the video also that you're supposed to open up the can, like top up. He used like 40 grams, which was translated to like a 1/3 cup, I think. So this is just gonna fill it up. It smells like baby food. Just kind of go like that. I think I'm gonna add a little bit extra, so like a spoonful extra. I don't know how long to microwave this right now. Oh yeah, taste test. Not bad, not great. Kind of gross. Oh no! Okay, this is going badly. It's starting to steam onto the cabinet. We're gonna use our fingers and just eyeball it. So they use 2 dashes of cinnamon. Fun fact: I'm allergic to cinnamon. Okay, that was like a tablespoon. It's alright, it's alright. Good thing I added more than I wanted. Okay, that was about a teaspoon. Not what I was going for. Nutmeg. That's probably good enough. I think I already botched the recipe. 1/2 pinch? It's like 1/2 pinch. Like, who uses these kind of measurements? Like, he actually like had like a teaspoon kind of thing, except it said smidgen and like dash and stuff on it. Like, how does that work? I'm confused. And then they said a 1/4 cup of sugar. I mean, to me that seems like a lot, but I just put in like a tablespoon of cinnamon, so I can't be saying much. It's not even a full. That's a lot. That looks like a lot. I don't know if it's just because I don't have a lot of pumpkin in there anymore, but it looks like a lot going on there. I don't know. I'll try some. It basically tastes like pumpkin pie, but like better. And it's kind of funny because I actually don't like pumpkin pie that much. That's good. That is good. Okay, it started off bad, but I think we're getting somewhere. My tongue is a little bit itchy from the cinnamon, but that's the sacrifice you have to make for pumpkin spice lattes. Now let's put in the espresso. So now I'm just mixing up the espresso with the pumpkin mixture. I'm just gonna be using the original silk almond milk. So I'm just gonna be putting it in here. I'd say about, oh man, I don't know, 2 cups. I messed up. I forgot you're only supposed to do half. Okay. But because it's dairy-free milk, I don't know if it'll froth or not. Frothing time to go. Now I'm gonna have it at steam. Woo. Oh, I just bit into something hard. You can kind of hear. Ooh, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Oh, it's getting really hot, like really quick. Okay.
It's all dead. Oh my god.
Ow, that hurt. So, this is the aftermath of my frothing disaster. I kind of got greedy. My finger is a little bit red. Never again, probably. But hey, let's, oh man. This is like really hot, like this is super, oh, it's gonna spill on the floor. Taking one for the team. Oh gosh. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Oh, this is scary. So you know like in Scream Queens when Chanel Oberlin is like, I want it at boiling point, and he's like, we're not allowed to do that. This is why! This is so hot! I didn't put enough milk in this, but look at this! Look at this! This looks so good! Like, it looks professional almost. Well, a little bit of a reach. Yes! It turned out! Like, I mean, I almost burnt myself, but it turned out. I can't believe I made this. I should be a barista. I'm so excited. Like, this turned out really good. The taste, it's good. And when you look at it from above, like you can see the little spices and it's frothed up. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about this. Maybe it's because I have like a whole shot of espresso in here. I'm not used to drinking that much coffee. I mean, I'm already pretty hyped up anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it. It's not separating. It looks even better! Look! Look! Yes! Do you see that? Oh, it's like, it's a perfect contrast. It's like a perfect line. I'm so happy. I am so happy that this turned out. I mean, let's ignore that. But this is so good. It turned out it was worth it. I would make this again. I take it back. I would actually make this again. You should seriously take the time out of your day to make this. Like, even make a mixture the day before, because this is amazing. Like, this will lift your day up dramatically. You know, like a Brazilian butt lift kind of thing. Like, this is crazy. This is amazing. This is so good. I'm about ready to cry because this actually turned out really well. It tastes like Thanksgiving. It tastes like, yeah, just put that down. It tastes like when you gather together with your family and you guys have those awkward conversations like politics, and then like you realize that you're all together finally and it's worth it and you haven't seen them in forever. I mean, this is, and then they bring out like the pumpkin pie and like you don't really like it, but you eat it anyway because it's Thanksgiving, you know? Oh, my nose is running. I'm getting so worked up. You know, like you know, like, this is so good. I'm probably just emotional because I went through that and I got this, you know? Like, yes, cheers to all those people that are watching this through the screen raise your drink, cheers. Like, this is amazing. Actually, make this, and then we'll just like cheer, like clink. And this is coming from somebody that doesn't even really like squash or pumpkin. Like, even if you don't really like it, I can almost guarantee that you're gonna like this anyway. I don't know. Somebody's gonna be like, no, I hate it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try this recipe because this is so good. It's amazing. I'm gonna say that 50 more times because this is so good.